Free WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can get a free website for WordPress. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, some of these plans for WordPress are not free. They don't offer a free plan, and even if you do manage to get a free website or a free plan, the options are limited. Like, you can't install any plugins or stuff like that. So for that, you do need to have a paid plan on WordPress. But for those of you who don't want to do that, I have a quick fix for that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this website called pantheon.io, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on start for free. And what this will do is it will allow us to bypass and connect to our Pantheon website and let us install WordPress on it, and so hence we can use WordPress. Let's just go ahead and sign up, and I'm going to click on sign in with Google, and over here we're just going to finish up a little bit of registration. We're going to enter in our first name, our last name, and our country and stuff like that, and once we're done that, we'll be on our way to the dashboard where we'll start using WordPress. Now once we have signed up, as you can see, this is the dashboard, and over here, if we already have a website developed, we can go ahead and migrate it, or we can create a new website. So we're going to click on create a new website, and then we're going to go ahead and install WordPress on it. So over here, you get to name your website, and this is going to be your domain name. So basically you can add in your own domain name as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to write the social guide, and over here, as you can see, this is going to be my domain name, dev/thesocialguide.pantheon.site. But I understand that this is a very long domain name. If you want to just get this own domain, and then you can go ahead and buy this domain if it's available, and then you can connect it onto your website. For now, this is my domain name. I'm going to use United States, and I'm going to click on continue. Wait a couple of seconds for it to load up, and once it's loaded up, as you can see, the dashboard is now loading up. Over here, we can choose our CMS. So we have WordPress, we have Drupal with Composer, or Drupal 7. We're going to be choosing WordPress since we already decided to choose WordPress. So now all you have to do is wait a couple of seconds for it to deploy the CMS or WordPress. So just be a little bit of patience and just sit back, relax, and let it do its own thing. And once it's done, we can go ahead and move on to the next step. And once it's readied up, as you can see, it says complete, and now we can go ahead and visit our Pantheon site dashboard. So when we click on this dashboard, it's going to take us over to our main dashboard. Over here, as you can see, this is the dashboard of our website. Now, you must be thinking that where is the WordPress website? Well, it's very simple. All you have to do is go to this, click on this button which says visit development site, and over here, or this button over here which says site admin. These are both WordPress. So when we click on site development, we just choose our own language, and then we just simply enter in the title, our username, our password, our email, and search engine, and then we can just go ahead and install WordPress. As you can see, it already gave us a password that we can use. So now all that's left for us to do is just simply enter in the site title, the username, and the email address, and then you will just simply have to install WordPress. And over here, let's go ahead and do this, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. And now once you have set your new username and your password, all you have to do is just simply log into your WordPress site. Simply click on login, and you're good to go. And here we are on the dashboard, on our WordPress dashboard, and this is how it looks like. And as you can see, we already have a bunch of different plugins installed, and we've bypassed their payment system. Now we can go ahead and do that. So as you can see, there are a couple of different things that we need to do because there are new versions of these plugins available. So let's go ahead and click on update. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and add a new plugin which is called Astra, and once we search for Astra, as you can see, we have this plugin called starter templates, and we can go ahead and install this template on our WordPress website, and there we go. As you can see, now we just have to click on activate, and we can activate that plugin, and we can go ahead and start making our own website. So as you can see, we have bypassed the payment system, and now we can go ahead and do it. So as you can see, this is the plugin right here. Now we just have to click on this plugin, click on C library, and we can go ahead and start building our own template. So let's just go ahead and choose the builder. So we have WordPress builder, block editor, or Elementor, or Beaver builder. I'm going to choose Elementor because it's much more prettier, and it has a lot of different templates that we can use. So over here we have a lot of different templates, and we can choose whichever website we want to build. So as we can see, if we click on this template right here, wait a couple of seconds for it to load up. While it loads up, you can go ahead and upload your own logo of your company or your own website logo or whatever you want, and you can go ahead and do that. So this is the website builder right here. Let's go ahead and click on skip and continue for now so that we can go ahead and edit our website. Over here you can add in your first name, your work email, and stuff like that, and you can submit and click on build my website, submit, and over here, wait a couple of seconds for it to be installed. It's installing the theme and plugins and fonts and etc. So just wait a couple of seconds for it to load up, and then we are good to go, and then we can go ahead and start editing our website. Okay, so as you can see, the website has been, it's done, it's ready. Now we can go ahead and view our website. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. We have our, our domain name over here, our name over here, and this is how it looks like. Now, what if you wanted to change it? All you have to do is come over here at the top. You see you have this option, edit with Elementor. Just simply click on it, and we can go ahead and start changing these things up. So wait a couple of seconds for it to load up, and once it's loaded up, you can go ahead and start changing things over here. So for example, if you wanted to change the name, you can go ahead and say welcome, and over here down below you can go ahead and change it to the social guide, and there we go. And you can also change the background of the image as well. So just simply choose whichever one you want, and you can go ahead and do that. So it's really simple. All you have to do is go back over here. You have image over here. You can go ahead and click on it and drop your image wherever you want to, and you can start, changing it. So over here, you have this option, which is called plus option, and you can go ahead and drag your widgets over here, or you can just simply select this over here, right click it, and you can edit this section over here. You see you have your layouts, you have all these settings over here, you have your style, you have advanced option over here. As you can see, in style, you can go ahead and change this image as well. You can select your own image, upload it over here, or you can choose one from the media library. So we have all these different options over here, and we can also have free images over here that we can search for. So we can choose whichever image we want. So let's go ahead and add, let's say, YouTube. Search for YouTube. We have all these different options that we can choose from. So let's go ahead and add this image over here. Wait a couple of seconds for it to load up, and once all the images are loaded, we can go ahead and choose whichever image we want. So let's just go ahead and add this one and click on insert media. And there we go. As you can see, the image has been added, and we can go ahead and start doing the same thing with all of these images as well, changing the name, changing the fonts, changing all these images up, the background and stuff like that, adding more sections if we need to. And once that's done, all you have to do is just simply click on update, and your website has been updated. Or if you want to go ahead and save it as a template, you can go ahead and do that as well. And then once you've done, you can go ahead and go to site settings, or view the page, or exit to dashboard as well. So these are all the things that you needed to know about. That's how you basically bypass the payment system on WordPress by using Pantheon. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as well. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. And if you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on your notification bell, because if you do that, not only will you be helping us out, but you'll also be getting daily alerts of whenever we upload our videos. We upload daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. So just make sure to hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified, and you'll be able to consume your daily dose of tech videos and other gadgets and other tools that can help you run or scale your business. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.